Hey guys, thanks for joining in. In this video, we'll review our 15-inch front brake kits. These kits are very popular and work with most of your trucks using unit bearings. So on your 2500 and 3500 front ends using unit bearings. So like the 94 to 99 Dodge, second gen, four-wheel drives, the 2000 to 2008 Dodges, the 2009 to 18s, we have this kit available. And then on the GM side, we have the 01 to 10 version, and then we have an 11 to 18 kit. And on the Ford side, we have our 99 to 04 and our 05 to 12. And then we have another version for the 13 to 17 as the knuckle changes. What these kits do is they allow the use of a 12-inch rotor bolted to a rotor adapter, and these go on the back side of the unit bearing, and they are held in with the studs. So you remove your unit bearing, press out the studs, push the studs through these back into the unit bearing, and doing that allows the use of a 15-inch wheel to slide over the brake assembly and the caliper without any modification to the unit bearing or any of the other OEM equipment on the truck. These kits are fully bolt-on, so obviously there's quite a bit of disassembly, reassembly to get the rotor on. Then the brackets bolt on to your knuckle with the hardware provided. Calipers available in 4-piston or 6-piston will bolt directly to the bracket. Pads are here. We provide the lines, the fittings to go to the frame side, fittings for the calipers, and the clips you need. So that'll all bolt up. And then when you're all done, because the rotor is missing on the front side of the unit bearing, we just provide a spacer to take up that space where the rotor head itself was sitting on the unit bearing. So you maintain your factory width on that. So you don't have to run those, but to provide it if you'd like to. So these kits, again, very popular to clear a 15-inch wheel if you're truck pulling and want to run cut tires, drag racing, dirt racing, and you're trying to get into that 15-inch rim. This allows you to run that factory axle setup. You'll cut 60 to 70 pounds off of your existing factory brakes, and you get into that smaller rim size with this setup. So very popular, and cuts a pile of weight. We try to keep these in stock and shipping out within a day or two. As always, if you have any questions, reach out, let us know, and continue to keep the orders coming in. Thanks.